Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Google smartphone, the Google Pixel 6 and a 6 Pro, have renders leaks and showing that the shocking new amazing design. This time, the design of the back and the front is really cool. Google has been playing it safe with the Pixel line for the past couple of generation or so, but it looked like this year it's finally ready to shake things up in mobile world again. A new leak purports to show us render despite the upcoming Pixel models, yes, models plurally, and that is the first change compared to the last year when the flagship line considered of only one phone, the Pixel 5 Note. So this time around we are getting the both Pixel 6 and a 6 Pro, and just look at them. This is these Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro renders leaks. The Pixel 6 seems smaller and has only two camera on that back, huge and a unique island on the back. We will not be surprised if one of these was a normal wide sensor while the other one was an ultra wide sensor. The Pixel 6 Pro, on the other hand, seems bigger and adds a third sensor, hopefully a telephoto. Although by the look of these render, it won't to be periscope type thing, so don't expect more than 3x optical magnification zoom. Hopefully Google will also update its sensor it uses, which are getting kind of old now. Camera acid, if the leak is accurate and a second source confirm that the design is in fact accurate while the color shown are not, the Google is finally ready to set up it a game again and not reuse the same boring design on more time for its higher end devices. At least the Pixel A series will keep the last generation's look according to the previous leaks. The render are not a straight up leaked from a Google or anything like that, but we are created by a third party based on real life images of the phone. On the front, the selfie camera as a whole punch cutout is now centered like in Samsung phone, and the bezels are almost entirely gone. You can watch the entire video of the Google Pixel 6 and Pro for a full view of the all angle of the upcoming phone for now, and we just say that we finally excited about the Pixel launch again. What remains to be seen is when this phone will actually get official, because they fail when Google usually announce a new high-end Pixel is pretty far away still. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and you can see some renders. It's really amazing. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone design, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.